Hey there, welcome in this quick tutorial. We are going to show you how to permanently delete TikTok account. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you. Now click on the profile. This type of screen will appear. Click on the three lines which appear at the right top corner. Click on settings and privacy. Now click on account. Here you can see at last there is deactivate or delete account. Click on this option. Now there will be an options deactivate account or deactivate account permanently. If you are going to deactivate your account permanently, then click on delete permanently account. Here you will select reason like I have multiple accounts and click on continue. When you click on continue, your account will be deleted permanently. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thank you so much.